guys, we left off from the last video, and while we're here, with Nathan,
accidentally
said a bad word.
I accidentally, because sometimes I get mad, I swear.
Yeah, you really swear.
I can't control myself.
So we don't want you guys to hear that, so sorry guys. But anyway, the video was so long, Nathan took forever. Oh, it's
Wait, what? Wait, I thought you waited for me.
no. A word that they block off in advertising. They block that word so no one can hear it. They're like, that's kicking your food.
You just made me fell down. I will load it to you and I will be chocolate.
I wish they just teleport to you. They say it's the name. One has the right one. You usually say those words. Remember, you're now starting to say words that people don't want to hear. But people could not allow to watch swearing videos.
Oh yeah.
It's not really swearing.
Yeah.
It's kind of not really. It's a maze, right?
Oh no, we have to watch it. I can't remember.
Oh, this is a maze.
No, come here, come back. I know the way. I know the way, man. I remember the way. I remember the way.
In the right way,
Here.
It's easy. It's only one way.
Where did I get the check? No. Hey, that. Well, wait, where did she? Oh my goodness, I want to say it. Let her say it.
She's sailing on this bridge. One of the easiest ever.
Come on, hurry up.
Tell me when it reaches 10-minute mark.
It's not bad. Okay, get the start. Get the
That
start.
girl is pretty good at Obby, and then she just fails on the easy.
Yeah, she's not a real guest. She's a fake guest.
She only did the hard ones as pro, but easy ones, I think she never practices the easy ones are hard, and the hard ones are easy. It's like opposite day. Whoa! They got clap. You hear my clap? Yeah. I don't know if you guys hear
Hey!
that.
I can push her off. Ooh, just kidding.
I'm lagging.
Ooh, thank you. Just
I don't move it on that. I just wait for that.
one off limits. Do a backflip. I did it. Lagging.
Stop. You're blocking the checkpoint.
Oh, sorry.
I'm struggling because I'm lagging, mate.
I'm lagging, mate. I'm lagging, mate.
I don't want no. Who's taking you?
Oh, sorry. Hey.
Oh, I thought you could just walk down. And
Wait, wow.
Okay, we're bad at obbies. We're not like good at tennis. I don't usually play obbies, and I'm pretty good. Ad doesn't really play obbies, and he's pretty good. He just needs to play more obbies like Dennis. Dennis plays like even gay.
Dennis couldn't find a tycoon, so he's good. Now he plays obbies. Now
There's not that much tycoons.
Now he couldn't find tycoon, so he just played
I'm
obby.
lagging. When you come, I don't really lag. Yeah, I'm lagging. Do you see I'm lagging?
Oh, yo, I just
Oh!
Oh!
Good one. This is... Oh, I jumped...
This is freaking ordinary good.
Don't say... What we might offend. Some people stop saying, like, fucking and stuff.
Yeah.
We might offend... Well, Polk says that. Well,
Hey, guess what? I just died.
Does he still say those words? What's this?
No.
What's that stage all about?
What
Oh, I already got past. Like, are you supposed to touch this only?
You don't have to. You don't touch
So you don't...
the toxic.
Oh,
They call it the toxic weights.
it's the... You're like doing this in military. I spawn with Swish. When someone spawns, I'm like lagging. Maybe someone's spawning. When someone spawns, I'm lagging.
Sorry
When
if
spawn,
you're
I was lagging.
laggy.
I think...
No, I just lagged.
Don't see someone mode. Which... Don't think.
Wait, how did I die?
Oh, level 34.
Guys, I might overheat, so I'm just gonna turn
the media off. There's no songs.
Yeah.
If they don't, yeah, we might get copyrighted.
Yeah, we might get
I don't wanna
copyright
know.
video songs.
Copyrighted. If there's no mute, we found out the easy way that you can mute. So you don't listen to songs, so we don't get copyrighted. It just listen to not
I
copyrighted
say
white songs.
I'm fat.
Beautiful, whatever that song is. And Creeper Fat's intro is like, you're beautiful. I just went off because I was lagging.
And also I dive.
On that obstacle, that was the one of easiest Ninja Warrior obstacles. This is. Did I say American Ninja Warrior? Let's just say Ninja Warrior.
What is that?
What
is that noise?
Sorry, guys, we were playing Angry Birds Obby. We forgot.
I already said that.
Oh.
In the first video.
Oh.
I think.
Oh. Okay,
Yeah, I remember this.
The spinning
long log, and you would already
How
fall
many are
down.
left?
You had to get up to 60
I know.
because I saw that guy.
I already know Daniel's on level 16, and you get away with Dominus.
Okay, no, remember just save. Then we could never do this again.
Yeah.
I remember I
I'm
saved on
lagging up
here.
a storm.
I remember I saved
Well,
on here.
I always go like after you battle save in Pokemon Book Books. We have all the gym badges now. I don't. Some games I can't play. Oh, weird one's bad. I just found out. I was freaking. Well, in a minute I jumped. I thought.
Oh yeah, I remember. Do it orange.
Okay.
We're playing a game, Mum.
Okay. Oh, we're making a video, so don't disturb.
Yeah.
Our mom got a new phone.
Yeah.
We need to talk about something.
It's S8. It's
It's
S8.
Samsung Galaxy S8. Or Galaxy S8. My dad has a Samsung Galaxy S6 Plus. What stage are you at anyway?
36.
We have to block the laggy person. Don't let her win. Not okay, well I'm lagging because she's lagging. Maybe the cause of lagging is because she was lagging.
Okay.
But stop! I'm lagging, mate. You don't have to jump,
Mate.
you know.
I know you can just walk. I don't. Oh, it disappeared. Oh, which one's good?
I
Bye
wasn't
bye. This is
expecting
bad.
that.
Oh, so it's turn
So
now.
turns. What? I just spawned. Okay,
let's go. Guys.
we need to go somewhere else.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, okay, I don't know if you can hear my voice or not.
Oh.
That's my paper. Let's just put it in a bit.
Yeah. What the? My screen's upside down. Get that.
Okay, I was AFK for quite a while.
My God, I had to play upside down. Guys, it's upside down. Not for you, maybe.
Yeah, I don't know.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake.
You know, I see. Wait. Mobile Zen's recording upside down.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Okay, fine. Ooh. I was looking at your screen that I...
Wait, where are you? Are you spawn up there?
I'm joking, I did actually, so I just said...
Please, please.
Did that sound like...
Hello, Angry Bird. I'm really up to you. I'm sure you're gonna eat me. Where are you?
Angry Birds, they kill the pigs. The pigs, right? Yeah, the
Oh gosh, I know.
the green,
No, oh, come on.
disgusting gooey pigs. What might happen to...
Oh.
I won't have
Okay,
a
remember,
treadmill.
treadmill.
What's a
This is not treadmill. Oh, it is.
It's a treadmill.
Yeah, and when I went straight, it was
I
moving.
think, you know what? Let's go over here, over here, over here. We can't
Over
stop. We can't.
I just fell down. Wait for me.
Okay.
I wait for you.
Okay, how long have we been recording? We're just about to finish.
No, we're gonna finish at 12. No, like 12.
or something.
No. Wait, this doesn't move.
Okay, this one's easy, so you can get past this.
Yeah.
I just don't want to know. No.
Oh, hello.
I'm lagging up a storm. I just saw you teleport. I was like, how did you teleport? I'm lagging.
Okay, I'm saving right here.
You can't. Do you spawn in that or just check?
No, when you leave, and you have to click load, then you will spawn there.
Saved.
Yes, got it. Wait, don't.
Lagging. I'm lagging. I'm still floating. No, I'm not. So we're about to wrap up this video. You know what? Let's end the video, make a part, please.
No, after it's 10.
Oh, it's not really 10.
Yeah.
It's about to become 10 minutes. So,
I just said.
oh man. By non-abusive admin powers. That's
Wanna go? Row. Show.
this
Toe.
obstacle is
crow,
being a pain.
Toe. Okay, I just... Okay, guys. We're going to end this video.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, everybody. Don't forget to...
Yeah, going to make part 3.
Yeah, subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. We forgot to make a intro, outro in part 1. So let's just make an outro for part 1 now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button.
Oh, yeah.
Post notification bell to never miss a video. It will ding whenever we upload a video. And don't forget to, I guess, subscribe. We're now gaining subscribers faster. Don't forget, guys, to turn that like button if you want blueberries. That's just a joke. I know some of you guys don't like blueberries, but who cares? Whatever you like, smash the like button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next video. Goodbye.
Bye. Oh, yeah, baby. Do the dab.